In this exercise, we'll convert a number to scientific notation. And the number that we're converting is 3,900,000,000. Now, to convert to scientific notation, we want to write this number as a number between 1 and 10 times 10 raised to some power. So the first thing I'm going to do is to count the number of places. I'll have to move the decimal point to write this as a number between 1 and 10. And starting here, we'd have to move the decimal point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 places to put the decimal point here and write this as a number between 1 and 10. Now, let's write 9 places here. This is a large number, so we know that the exponent on 10 is going to be positive, and it's going to be this number, 9. So we can say that 3,900,000,000 is equal to 3.9 times 10 to the 9th power.